This is a very useful trick for Photoshop users. Select the layer. Click on Channels. Select the blue channel. Create a copy of it. Then click on the Image menu, Adjustment, and then Levels. Apply these settings. After that, click on the select icon, and it will make a selection of it. Now delete this channel, and click on the layer panel. Select the layer, go to Select menu and click on Inverse. Then click on Add a Vector Mask. You can also apply the background color. Click on the Adjustment layer and then Solid Color. Apply any color according to your choice. Put the layer below the main layer. And it's done. Make sure you head over to my YouTube channel, where I upload graphic related tutorials. Thank you for watching.